We'll guide you through how to check DaVinci Resolve hardware requirements to ensure your system can handle this powerful video editing software. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Blackmagic Design website. This is the home base for DaVinci Resolve, and it's where you'll find the most up-to-date information about hardware requirements. Once you're on the website, navigate to the DaVinci Resolve product page. You can usually find this under the Products menu at the top. Click on DaVinci Resolve to go to its dedicated page. Here, you'll see various tabs or sections about the software. Look for the Tech Specs or Specifications section. This is where Blackmagic Design lists all the hardware requirements for running DaVinci Resolve smoothly. You'll find details on the operating system, CPU, RAM, GPU, and storage space needed. Make sure to compare these specifications with your current system. It's really important to have a good graphics card and sufficient RAM, as DaVinci Resolve is quite resource-intensive, especially for 4K editing. If your system doesn't meet these requirements, you might experience slow performance or crashes. A quick tip: ensure your GPU drivers are up to date, as this can also affect performance. If you're planning to upgrade your hardware, focus on a powerful CPU and a compatible GPU with ample VRAM. Having extra RAM can also make a big difference, especially if you're working with large files or complex projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.